Tired of messy handles and germ spreading in your kitchen? Stay tuned as we count down the 7 best touchless kitchen faucets that will revolutionize your culinary space. We've put countless hours into testing, comparing, and scrutinizing some of the most popular models on the market, and we're finally ready to reveal our top picks. From budget-friendly options to premium performers, we've got something for every kitchen and every wallet. 7. BLYLUND BLCR6820. This faucet immediately catches the eye with its sleek, modern design, sporting a polished chrome finish that could easily fit into a contemporary kitchen aesthetic. When I first unboxed it, I was impressed by the solid feel of the materials. It doesn't feel flimsy, which is always a good sign. Installation was relatively straightforward, similar to many other single-hole faucets, though I did find the instructions could be a little more detailed for a complete novice. But once it was in, it certainly looked the part. The primary draw of any touchless faucet is its sensor technology, and the BLYLUND BLCR6820 uses a fairly standard infrared sensor. In my testing, I found the sensor to be responsive for the most part, though there were a few instances where I had to wave my hand a couple of times to activate it. It wasn't a deal breaker, but it did break the seamless experience momentarily. The pull-down sprayer is a nice touch, offering both stream and spray options, which are essential for various kitchen tasks, from filling pots to rinsing dishes. The hose glides fairly smoothly, and the magnetic docking system feels secure enough. One of the areas where I felt the BLYLUND BLCR6820 could improve is its overall water pressure. While adequate for most tasks, it didn't quite have the powerful blast I've experienced with some other models, especially when trying to dislodge stubborn food particles. It works, but it might take a bit more effort. 6. GIMILI GM1043B. This faucet immediately caught my attention with its distinctive matte black finish, which offers a bold and modern statement in any kitchen. If you're looking to add a touch of industrial chic, or simply want to move away from traditional chrome or stainless steel, this one certainly stands out. Out of the box, the build quality felt substantial, indicating a durable construction that should hold up well over time. The installation process was fairly standard, and for those who have installed faucets before, it should be a breeze. The GIMILI GM1043B features a responsive motion sensor, and in my tests, it performed quite consistently. A quick wave of the hand usually activated the water flow without much fuss. I particularly liked the placement of the sensor. It felt intuitive and rarely misfired. The pull-down spray head is also well designed, offering both a focused stream and a wide spray. The transition between these modes is smooth, and the retractable hose had a good amount of reach, making it easy to fill large pots or clean the corners of the sink. One of the aspects I appreciated about this faucet was the flow rate. While not the most powerful, it provided a steady and consistent stream of water, making everyday tasks like rinsing vegetables or washing dishes efficient. The single handle for temperature and manual flow control is smooth and easy to manipulate, allowing for precise adjustments. The matte black finish, while visually striking, also proved to be quite resistant to fingerprints and water spots, which is a huge plus for maintaining a clean look with less effort. 5. Charmingwater CW-2189. This faucet immediately impressed me with its sleek, minimalist design and brushed nickel finish, which strikes a perfect balance between modern aesthetics and timeless appeal. It felt substantial and well-built right out of the box, suggesting a long lifespan. The installation process was one of the smoother experiences I had, with clear instructions and all the necessary hardware included, making it accessible even for those with limited DIY experience. The touchless functionality of the Charmingwater CW-2189 is where it truly starts to shine. It features a highly sensitive motion sensor that responded instantly to a wave of my hand without any noticeable lag. This seamless activation and deactivation made kitchen tasks incredibly efficient and hygienic. I particularly liked that the sensor was positioned in a way that prevented accidental triggers while still being easily accessible. The pull-down sprayer is another highlight, offering a powerful stream and a wide, consistent spray. The hose extends and retracts effortlessly, and the magnetic docking system is incredibly secure, snapping the spray head firmly back into place every time. One of the standout features I appreciated during my testing was the excellent water pressure and flow rate. Whether I was filling a large pot for pasta or rinsing off a stubborn mess, the Charmingwater CW-2189 delivered a strong and consistent flow that made short work of any task. The single handle for manual temperature and flow control is precise and smooth, allowing for easy adjustments, and it's well integrated into the overall design, maintaining the faucet's clean lines. 4. Delta Essa Touchless Kitchen Faucet. Delta is a name synonymous with quality in the faucet world, and the Essa truly lives up to that reputation. What immediately impressed me was its sleek, contemporary design combined with the practical genius of its Touch 2.0 technology. This isn't just about waving your hand. You can also simply tap the faucet anywhere on the spout or handle to turn the water on and off. This dual action functionality is incredibly intuitive and offers an extra layer of convenience, especially when your hands are truly a mess. The Delta Essa's touchless sensor, known as TouchSense, is incredibly precise and responsive. In my extensive testing, it never missed a beat. Whether I waved a hand, a forearm, or even the back of my wrist, the water would activate or deactivate instantly. The Touch 2.0 tap feature worked flawlessly as well, offering a different but equally effective way to control the flow. This versatility is a major selling point, adapting to how you naturally interact with your faucet. The pull-down spray head is robust, featuring Delta's magnetite docking, which uses a powerful magnet to keep the spray head firmly in place when not in use. It feels incredibly secure and prevents any sagging over time. Beyond the touchless features, the Essa also excels in its core functionality. It offers two spray options, a focus stream and a powerful spray, both delivered with excellent water pressure. Delta's Shield Spray technology is also a game changer. It creates a concentrated jet within a protective sphere of water, allowing you to blast away messes without splashing yourself or your countertop. 3. Bidet Flow Touchless Kitchen Faucet. While Bidet might be more widely known for their advanced bidet seats, they've applied their expertise in sensor technology and water control to create an incredibly impressive kitchen faucet. The Flow features a sleek, minimalist design that seamlessly integrates into various kitchen aesthetics. From modern to transitional, the brushed nickel finish I tested was not only attractive, but also felt robust and resistant to smudges, which is always a plus in a busy kitchen environment. What immediately stands out about the Bidet Flow is its exceptionally precise and consistent sensor. It utilizes a single, highly accurate motion sensor positioned strategically on the base, which provided instant and reliable activation, deactivation every single time during my testing. There was no lag, no accidental triggers, just smooth and predictable operation. This consistency is crucial for a truly touchless experience, and the Flow delivers it in spades. The sensor felt perfectly calibrated, making it a joy to use for quick rinses or extended tasks. The pull-down spray head on the Flow is another highlight. It features a dual-function spray with both a powerful stream and a wide, aerated spray, allowing for versatile cleaning and filling. The hose glides out and retracts effortlessly, and the magnetic docking system is incredibly secure, ensuring the spray head always seats perfectly back into place without any wobble or sag. I particularly liked the satisfying click as it docked, confirming it was properly secured. Beyond the touchless features, the Bidet Flow boasts excellent water pressure and flow control. 2. Delta Lenta Touchless Kitchen Faucet. At a very close second, we have the Delta Lenta Touchless Kitchen Faucet, also featuring the renowned Touch 2.0 technology and Spot Shield stainless finish. The Lenta builds upon Delta's commitment to innovation and user-centric design, offering a sleek, modern aesthetic that would elevate any kitchen. Its elegant lines and minimalist profile are truly appealing, and the Spot Shield stainless finish not only looks fantastic, but also actively resists water spots and fingerprints, which means less cleaning for you, a massive win in my book. The core of the Delta Lenta's appeal lies in its incredibly versatile and reliable Touch 2.0 technology. Like the Essa, it allows you to activate water flow either by a wave of your hand over the sensor or by simply tapping anywhere on the faucet body. This dual activation method is incredibly convenient and makes the faucet highly adaptable to various kitchen tasks and preferences. The sensor is lightning fast and consistently accurate, while the tap function provides an intuitive tactile feedback that I found extremely useful, especially when my hands were full or covered in food. The pull-down spray head on the Lenta is another triumph of engineering. It features Delta's magnetite docking, which ensures the spray head stays securely in place when not in use, preventing any droop or sag. This magnetic docking system is impressively strong and provides a satisfying snap when the head returns to its position. The spray head itself offers two powerful functions: a traditional stream for filling and a highly effective spray for rinsing. 1. Moen Arbor. And now, for our number one pick, the king of touchless kitchen faucets, the Moen Arbor with Motion Sense Wave and Power Boost. When it comes to combining sophisticated design with unparalleled functionality, the Moen Arbor truly stands alone. This faucet is a masterpiece of modern kitchen technology, offering an experience that is not just touchless, but genuinely intuitive and effortless. The spot-resist stainless finish, which I tested, is not only stunning, but incredibly practical, defying fingerprints and water spots to maintain a pristine look with minimal effort. A huge bonus in a busy kitchen. The Moen Arbor's Motion Sense Wave technology is simply brilliant. It features two distinct sensors for ultimate convenience. There's a wave sensor at the top of the faucet, which allows you to turn the water on or off with a simple wave of your hand, perfect for when your hands are full or particularly messy. And there's also a ready sensor located near the base, which detects objects within its zone, automatically activating water flow when you place something under the spout. Think filling a glass or a pot without even a wave. This dual sensor system is incredibly intelligent and adapts perfectly to a multitude of kitchen tasks, making interaction truly seamless and natural. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The Moen Arbor also boasts Power Boost technology, which delivers an extra burst of water pressure at the push of a button, making quick work of tough cleaning tasks and speeding up pot filling. This is a game changer for efficiently tackling stubborn food residue or quickly preparing for cooking. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.